we start this week's topic, I need you to do these 3 questions. They should take you in total 30 seconds, maybe, to do all of them together. So pause the video here, have a go. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the working out. So simplify the following for the question 1. When you do 2x squared, the common mistake is people do this. They either put 4x squared or 4x, or they put 2x squared, which is wrong, both wrong. Hopefully you did not make the silly mistake. 2x squared means 2x times 2x, so you should get 4x squared. Question 2 was a trick question. You can't simplify that. So you can only square root a square if it without the plus sign. So just in terms of surds, rules for surds, that just doesn't work. So you can try it with numbers just to test it out yourself if you're not confident in that. So turn x into a number, turn y into a number, and see what happens when you square it and you square root it. You'll see why it doesn't work. And then question 3, you first, to simplify it, you just, in a way you're actually solving it. You take out a factor of pi on both sides, or you can just cancel it straight away. So in this case, I'm going to take out factor of pi, although you can just cross them out. So here you go. And then you can cancel the pi's out. Simplify this further. So 7 plus 1.5 is going to be 8.5. And then you just take away 3 from both sides. Okay, so that's basic skills. These are going to come up later on throughout the topic. Now, this formula you need to know is density is mass over volume. I haven't gone into that because that's a topic I'm going to teach you later on. But you do need to know it just in terms of using it without having to worry about the meaning behind it yet. So this week, I'm not going to teach you areas of 2D shapes because you know that. So I'm just going to ask for hands up, and then you're going to tell me what you think they are. So tell me what you think the area of a triangle is, Tilly.
Sir, it's pi r squared.
No, it's not pi r squared. It is a triangle, remember? So let me just correct you there. It is half times base times height. Now, this is the second formula is the one that people forget always. That is half AB sine C. That's coming up later on in the slide, so you need to make sure that you remember that. What about the area of a circle? Tilly, this is your moment.
Sir, it's pi r squared.
Yes, it is pi r squared. Well done. Pi r squared's area. Circumference is pi d, or 2 pi r, because the diameter is just 2 times r. What about parallelogram? Tilly, I'm going to come back to you because you're on a roll.
Sir, it's pi r squared.
Oh, no, sorry about that. No, it is not pi r squared. It is just base times perpendicular height. What about a trapezium, Tilly? There's a song, remember?
Sir, it's pi r squared.
No. Okay, right. I'm just going to stop you there. I think it's not your day today. It's a plus b, half the sum of the parallel sides times the distance between them. I am going to make sure to make a note to add a video to that. Oh, the trapezium song. I can't remember if I've annoyed you as a class by playing that on YouTube on repeat. But if I haven't, your opportunity to do it at home. You can add it to Paolo's song on your Spotify playlist. So half a plus b times height, perpendicular height. So it has to be perpendicular. And a and b are the parallel sides. That's wrong on purpose. That should be parallel sides. Parallel sides. Okay. Now, do not write this down yet, because when we get to these formulas, I will give you way more information that you need. So just to give you an idea of what we're looking at, volume 4 pi r cubed, surface area is 4 pi r squared. For a cylinder, its volume is pi r squared times height, surface area is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r times height. For pyramid, 1/3 base area times height, and then for a volume of a cone is 1/3 base area times height. Now the base area is a circle, so it's pi r squared. Now, you don't need to copy these out. Just to give you an overview, we're kind of going to look at all of these throughout this topic. And finally, the highlight of this whole topic is this amazing slide which I have made. I'm so proud of it. I just want you to see and appreciate just the way that the colors kind of blend from green to purple. And it's just, you don't even see how it happens, but it just happens. It's just fantastic. This slide is so beautiful. So admire it. Pause it, take a screenshot, put it on your wall, share it with your friends, put it on your social media, whatever you want to do. You're welcome to do that. You have permission. Copyright Mr. Maswana. So we're going to start the topic in the next video. So I'll see you then. Hopefully, Tilly, you're going to be back on your game by the next video.